Welcome back to Anthony Lee Raw. Guys, we're going to take a look today at Hedera, HBAR. I know a lot of you love this coin. I think it's a good coin. This is not a macro price prediction video. However, I do have some interesting potential news for you here. But if you do want to see the HBAR bull run price prediction that I have in full breakdown, go on over to the YouTube channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video or thumbs it down. If you want to continue to see more HBAR videos, be sure to thumbs up it. I'm going to remove from the rotation all videos that are not getting a high number of thumbs up. So if you want to keep it in, be sure you show it some love. But anyway, go over to the videos tab on my homepage and scroll on down and you'll see I have multiple HBAR videos on here. Here's one right here, HBAR video, and I've got a bull run price prediction, but go find HBAR. But you can see all the altcoin videos I'm doing. I'm going to start removing these to the ones that do not get attention, so thumbs it up. Here are the tokenomics. I'm not fixing to run through all these. I want to show you more shorter term frame and medium term frame predictions and analysis here. So I'm going to turn off the tokenomics. I will go and give you a glimpse. Market cap retraces, bull run price prediction, but go watch the video for more information. And if my opinion changes, I will update a video and let you know a new bull run price prediction. But for now, I'm going to throw on a couple of indicators here, and look what I have to show you guys. This is very interesting. I'm going to turn on a Damien indicator and a Bjorn indicator at the bottom. I'm going to turn Bjorn off for now. Both of these indicators you can only get at AnthonyLeeRaw.com. I created both of these indicators. Go on over AnthonyLeeRaw.com. I'll put a link down in the comments and click on the indicators tab up top. You can get your indicators here. We have 5 premium indicators, and Damien, the first 2, Damien and Bjorn, or you can get the suite of all 5. It's buy 3, get 2 free. So let's look at HBAR. I'm on the 10 daily time frame, and look at these massive moves that this has called. This Damien indicator combines 11 different, I'll show it to you, 11 different divergence indicators in one. You got MACD, histogram, RSI, stochastic, momentum, volume, money flow, all that good stuff. So you can completely declutter your chart by removing all those, and as soon as you get a divergence on one or more of those, it fires off a signal. For example, here you got RSI, stochastic, momentum, money flow, all divergences right there. It gave it to you on this candle, and look, massive move down. It didn't tell you to get out till way down here, guys. That is a move down from top to bottom on HBAR of 91% given to you right here. Easy peasy, guys, no problem. But anyway, let's look at today's price action. You can see all these others, and these are not small moves. Even these here that look a little bit smaller here, these are not small moves. This move here, for example, let's just see what it is. I don't even know what it was. Let's see. Got to move up 120%. So these are not small moves that it gives you guys. And as you can see on the 10-day time frame, we just got another one fired off. It is not yet confirmed, but it has fired off. You have 2 different divergences right here. Remember, these last couple, you only had 1, so you can still get good moves. The last one you had 2 divergences on was back here, and that gave you a move up total of 300%, guys. So pretty good moves here. What you want to do is combine this with Bjorn, which you can also get on the website down below. The ones that don't play out as well are when volatility, which is this multicolor line on Bjorn, are going down. Okay, that means volatility is cooling off. That means, things are just kind of quieting down, no big deal. When they're going up is when you get your really big moves. You can see the one here that fired off, volatility was headed straight up, and that gave you the massive move up right there. Same thing to the downside. When you got this one right up here, headed to the downside, volatility down low was headed up. You can see right there, headed up, volatility headed up, boom. So it gave you the big push down. And the dark line is stochastic, okay? So at the time that we got this one that didn't play out very well, you could see volatility here was headed down, and also stochastic was headed down. So when combined with these two, we would not have taken this divergence trade. However, all that to say, currently we are positioned pretty dang well on this this Damien divergence that has played out. Look, number 1, you have volatility in the multicolor line headed up, and number 2, stochastic has just flipped up. So this is a go signal for me. We got volatility headed up, we have stochastic headed up, and we have confirmed divergences on 2 different indicators. And the last time we had anything similar to that was way back here, and we got the move up of, about 115%. So I do think we're primed for a big move up on HBAR. Looking at targets here, I just think, first of all, this could kick out into something much bigger. You know, you could obviously just come up and do this and it wind up being a huge bull run type move. But let's look at more local targets, guys. Just even clearly eyeballing this, I can see a very clear liquidity grab. We could come right there. Good support and resistance flip. Certainly liquidity grab there, or even slightly below that. You can see this is good support and resistance right there. Either one of those levels, I would look for the top level because that is what drives markets, is liquidity. What is the point of coming back up into this level? There's not much liquidity to be gotten there. So I would target the upper level from there. And if we get a move like that, from the time the signal fired off, we could be looking at, I moved that wrong line. Sorry about that, guys. Let's move this back up to the liquidity grab. We could be looking on a move up on HBAR of about right at 70% at a minimum, guys. I think that's a very minimum target, guys. Very, very, very minimum. So HBAR looking to get a little move up here, guys. Go ahead and let me know what you think down below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Get on over AnthonyLeeRaw.com and get your indicator. And I will see you guys next time.